What is up, guys? We're back with another video today, and I was gonna be uploading a Minecraft video today, but something special came around at my time when I was going around Walmart. I have got a Turtlebeach Air Force 70 headset, which is pretty cool. I can't wait to unbox it with you guys. So this is the Turtlebeach Air Force Recon 70 gaming headset. It's wired, not a wireless one, but it's pretty nice. And I've been wanting a new headset for a long time because I play on a Nintendo Switch, and I don't have a headset with a mic. This is one for a PC right here. I just leave it on my lamp. And this headset is pretty nice. It's definitely a huge upgrade. So it's got some premium air cushions, lightweight comfort for those long hours of gaming session, a flip up mic right here, and a high quality 40mm speakers. So it's compatible with pretty much with every console. Right here, this is why I got it, because it says right here, Nintendo Switch. Yeah, so we're gonna unbox this baby. Okay, we got the box right here. So, let me get this right here. Okay. Camera issues. Got camera issues. Okay, there we go. So right here we got the headset box. So let's unbox it. I think I have some. We're gonna have to use a pen to cut this thing. I think I might be able to cut it with a pen. Ugh! Okay, I think we almost got it. Actually, I think I can just peel off the tape right here. Alright, we got this. Alright, oh dang it, came back. So remove this flap out right here. Alright, so right here it comes, looks like some cardboard fitting to make it look stable, so let's pull this baby out. Oh my god, I opened this thing upside down. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna keep the box just because it looks nice. And I think, yeah, so it comes in like this. Okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's out of the box. So it came with the head cord extension right here. And this is like some stuff that makes it not smell bad, I think. Here's an instruction manual. Probably, what? Warranty purchases in Australia. I thought Turtlebeach headquarters was in San Francisco. I don't know. Probably is. That's what I found in the box. But alright, so let's pull this thing out of the box. Probably not gonna keep that. Yeah, let's pull this thing out right here. Looks really nice. Let me set the camera down. Oh, yo. It's like a dream come true. It's an early Christmas. Alright, let's put this thing on. Okay, I'm gonna put the headset on now. So, this is the cord to plug it in to your headphone jack. So, let me unscrew this little wiring off so I can let loose the cord. The cord's actually pretty long, which is good. So I can plug it in. So let me put this thing on. It feels really nice. It's really comfortable. My ears aren't even touching the headphones inside. And the mic, I kind of wish it was a little longer, but I think it's good like this. So yeah, these are pretty good headsets. I wonder if it can adjust right here. Can it adjust? Oh yeah, right here. for any of you, those guys who have a bigger head than I am, these can adjust, and it makes it look weird on me. Now it's all nice and snug. So, let me adjust it to the right fitting on my head. Okay, there we go. That's nice. And we got that Turtlebeach logo inside and on the inside, right here. And in this one, which is really nice. I wish it came in green though, but, because green is my favorite color, but, I have a uncle out there. It's kind of weird because he's younger than me, but, his favorite color is neon blue, so, I don't know, I might get one of these for his birthday or something. And we got that Turtlebeach headset right here. So I can't wait to try this out in an actual, onto my Switch. Oh, I also have a PlayStation 4, but, HDMI cord kind of got crapped up, and, it's not really working. But, I can't wait to try this out, and stay tuned for, my Minecraft video. I was actually going to upload that today, but I decided to do this unboxing today. But, if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing and, giving it to a like. Show your friends, and, the Turtlebeach. To get one of these headphones, go to turtlebeach.com, link in the description below, and see you guys next time. Bye!